Hi friends, today we are going to see about wrapping the text around an image in Google Docs. Open Chrome browser and search Google Docs. Click on the link Google Docs, online document editor. Click on Go to Docs. Use your email ID to sign in if you are a new user. This is the Google Docs workspace. Here only we are going to wrap the text around an image. My topic is about nature. You can use your own content. I'm taking content from Chrome. Copy the content by using Ctrl+C. Paste this on Google Docs. While pasting, if you use Ctrl+V, text will be pasted as from Chrome. Instead of that, you can use Shift+Ctrl+V, only text will be pasted. I'm taking image from Chrome. I'm taking this image. Copy the image and paste it on Google Docs. Now left-click the image. Wrapping tools will be appearing below the image. Drag and adjust the image to place the image. I'll show you once again. Copy the image and paste it. Click the image. Wrapping tools will be appear below. Here you can change font style and font size. By using these alignment tools, you can align the text. Okay friends, that's all about wrapping the text around an image. Let's see in another video. Until that, stay safe. Love you all friends.